Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, exercise 3.3, question number 2. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of unknown x, y and z. Here is two questions in this diagram, x, y and z. Here is x, y and then z. Given that here is 30-degree angle and this is 90-degree angle. First of all, these are the vertical opposite angle. So x is equal to 90 degree. In this diagram, x is equal to 90 degree, region vertical opposite angles. These are the vertical opposite angle. So x is 90 degree. Now there is a triangle. There is a triangle. Here is 90, 30 and y. 90, 30 and y. The sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The addition of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 plus y is equal to 180. 90, 30, 120. So y is equal to 180 minus 120. Y is equal to 60 degree. The y is 60 degree, x is 90 degree. Now here is z. Here is the z. For finding the value of z, the y and z's are equal. The y and z are equal because this line and this line are the parallel lines. These lines are parallel lines. If two parallel lines are going and one line intersecting this line, when we make a z between parallel lines and intersecting line, when we making a z here and here, the inner angle are equal by the property of parallel lines. Y is equal to z is equal to 60 degree. Y and z are equal. The value of y is 60. Reason, parallel lines property. The inner angle of parallel lines, when we intersecting by a line, these inner angles are equal. So y and z are equal. So x is 90, y is 60 and z is also 60. Now in this diagram, 40 y x, here is z and 112. First of all, this is a parallelogram. We know that the opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. So this is over 112. Y is equal to 112 degree. Reason, opposite angle of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Now y is 112. This is a triangle. This is our triangle 40, 112 and x. Now sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So 40 plus 112 plus x is equal to 180. Now 40, 112, 152 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 152. X is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 degree. Now we will solve the value of x. Then in parallelogram there are two angles. The addition of these angles, is 180 degree. This is called adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angles is 180. So 40 plus z, this angle is 40 plus z, and another is 112 is equal to 180. Z plus 152 is equal to 180. Z is equal to, when we transposing this, Z is equal to 28 degree. The x is 28, z is 28, y is 112. Now the second answer, I can make a z from here. I can make a z. Here is x, here is z. So the property of parallel lines, by property of parallel lines, x and z are in inner angle, alternate angle, which called alternate angles. The alternate angle are equal, so x and z is equal. X and z are equal angles. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? ABCD is a quadrilateral. For this given conditions, it is a parallelogram. Now first of all, I draw a parallelogram, naming of this ABCD. A, B, C, D. This is our parallelogram. Now B and D, the addition of these is 180, but we know that these are the opposite angles. The opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to, let assume this is x, y opposite angle. These are the opposite angles, so this is equal. Now angle B, D 180, x 180, 2x is equal to 180, x is equal to 90. So x is equal to 90. If we taken the angle B and D is 90. angle B and D. B and D is 90, so A and C is also equal. The addition of all angles of quadrilateral is 260, 180 given for B and D, so 180 for A and C, 180 for A and C. So A and C are also 90 and 90. So this is a parallelogram. Yes, the parallelogram of special condition. What is the name of this parallelogram? This is our rectangle. Yes, for this condition we can draw a parallelogram name of this is rectangle. This is our rectangle. For this condition we can draw a rectangle. So this condition is find true for parallelogram. Now second, ABDC. First of all we draw a rectangle. We draw a parallelogram A, B, C and D. AB is equal to 8, AB is equal to 8, DC is equal to 8, DC is equal to 8. Now AD is equal to 4, AD is equal to 4, BC is equal to 4.4, BC is equal to 4.4. Opposite sides are equal length. 8 and 8 is equal, 4 and 4.4 is not equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal in length AD is not equal to BC. AD is not equal to BC, so this is not a parallelogram. For this condition we cannot draw a parallelogram. Now part third. First of all we will draw a parallelogram A, B, C and D. Now given that angle A is 70, angle A is 70, angle C is 65, angle C is 65. We know that in parallelogram opposite angle are equal, so 70 and 65 not equal, so this is not a parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal measure. Angle A is not equal to angle C, so this is not a parallelogram. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Draw a rough figure, not a parallelogram, but exactly two opposite angles. Exactly two angles of equal. Two angles are equal. The two angles are opposite angle. Draw a quadrilateral, not a parallelogram. The two angles is equal. These angles are opposite angle. Let assume we will draw a quadrilateral with 90-degree equal angles. First of all, this is over a 90-degree angle. Now at this point we will draw a angle of 150. We will draw a angle of 150. Then opposite angle is 90. Then we will draw a 90-degree angle. Here is 90 degree. The two angles are equal, 90 and 90. This is over 150. Then next is here 30-degree angles. So these angles are not equal. So this is not a parallelogram. In parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. 90 and 90 is equal. 150 and 30 is not equal. So this is not a parallelogram with two opposite angles are equal. Now the next one is question number 5. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in ratio of 3:2. When the ratio question is come, we will put x. So the ratio is 3x and 2x. The measure of the angles are 2x and 3x. Now first of all, I draw a parallelogram. This is over a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Two adjacent angle. The A and B are adjacent angle of 3 and 2. 3x, 2x. Let assume angle B, angle A and angle B are adjacent angles with measure of 3x and 2x. We know that sum of adjacent angles is 180. So 3x plus 2x, the addition of these is 180. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 upon 5. 3 times 6 times 36. X is 36. So angle A is 3x, 3 into 36. The angle A is 3 into 6, 18, 3 into 3, 9, 10. Angle B is 2x, 2 into 36, answer is 72. Angle A is 108, angle B is 72. Now A and C is equal, opposite angle. We know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. The opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 108, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 72. Let us beginning from this question. Question number 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral, not the parallelogram, but exactly two opposite angles of equal. The two angles of quadrilateral is equal. Assume that two angles is equal, 90 and 90. First of all, I draw a 90-degree angle. Now at this point I draw a angle of 150. Then these are the opposite angles, so this will be 90. I will draw a 90-degree angle. The two lines are intersecting each other at this point. This angle is 30 degree. So these angles is not equal. The opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So these angles is not equal. So this is not a parallelogram. This is a quadrilateral. Now question number 5. The measure of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in ratio of 3:2. When ratio question comes, we will put the value 3x and 2x. The adjacent angle. Let draw a parallelogram. A and B are adjacent angle. Now A is 3x, B is 2x. Let assume angle A and angle B are adjacent angle with measure of 3x and 2x. We know that the sum of adjacent angle are supplementary is 180. Supplementary means 180. Sum of adjacent angles is 180. 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5x is equal to 180. Now this is multiplied by 5, so we will divide by 5. X is equal to 180 by 5. Is answer is 36. The x is 36, but angle A is 3x. 3x. 3 into 36, 108. B is 2x. 2 into 36, 72. We know that opposite angle are equal, so angle A and angle C is equal, 108. Angle B and D is equal, 72. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 6. Two adjacent angle of a parallelogram have equal measure. Two adjacent angle is equal. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram is equal. Find the measure of each angles of parallelogram. Find the all four angles of parallelogram. First of all, I draw a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. Adjacent angle. These are the adjacent angle. Given that two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal. Let assume adjacent angles, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to x. Let assume angle A and angle B is equal with value of x. We know that sum of adjacent angle is 180. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. The addition of adjacent angle is 180. Now angle A is x, angle B is x, 180. X plus x, 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 by 2. X is 90. So angle A is 90, angle B is 90, which are the equal. Two adjacent angle is equal. So angle A and angle B is 90. Now A and C are equal. We know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. What is the value of angle A? Angle A is 90. Angle A is 90. Angle B is equal to angle D. The value of angle B is 90. So we will draw a parallelogram with all the angles is 90 and 90, A, B, C, D. The name of this parallelogram is rectangle. This is a rectangle. When we draw a parallelogram with two adjacent angles are equal, we can draw a rectangle. Let's take beginning from this question. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram have equal measure. Find the all angles. First of all, I draw a parallelogram. Given that two adjacent angle of parallelogram is equal, so A and B are adjacent angle which is equal. Let assume adjacent angle A and B is equal. The value of angles is x. We know that sum of adjacent angle, the sum of these angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus B is equal to 180. Angle A is x, B is x, x plus x, 2x multiply by 2, so we will divide by 2. 180 by 2 is 90. So value of x is 90. X, A is equal to x is equal to 90, B is equal to x is equal to 90. So A and B angles is 90 degree. Now remaining is C and D. A and C is equal opposite angle, B and D is equal opposite angle. Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, so angle A and angle C is equal. The value of angle A is 90, A, B and D is equal, value is 90. The all four angles is 90 degree. Now we will draw a parallelogram with all four angles is 90. 90, 90, 90, 90. Name of this parallelogram is rectangle. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.